Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A water tank has two types of taps, type A and type B. A tap of type A can fill the tank in 64 minutes while a tap of type B can fill the same tank in 32 minutes. If there are 4 type A taps and 2 type B taps that can be used to fill the tank, then an empty tank can be filled in what minutes? We have to find out. So it is given that type A tap can fill the tank in 64 minutes. It is given. And also type B tap can fill this same tank in 32 minutes. It is also given. Now we can find out that in 1 minute this both tap type A type B can fill what part of the tank. So first let's see for type A. So in 1 minute this tap type A tap can fill what part of the tank? That is 1/64th part of a tank, because it can fill the complete tank in 64 minutes. So similarly we can find out that in 1 minute the second tap type AB tap can fill what part of the tank? That is 1/32 part of a tank. Now let's see that in 1 minute 4 type A tap and 2 type B taps can fill what part of the tank. So we know that in 1 minute type A tap can fill 1/64th of a tank. So if there are 4 type A, then that will be is equal to 4/64 part of the tank, and 2 type B tap can fill 2/32 part of a tank. So in this way we have find out that in 1 minute this 4 type A and 2 type B can fill what part of the tank. Now let us simplify it. So this is equal to 1/16 plus 1/16 part of a tank, which is further equal to 2/16th part of a tank, and this is equal to 1/8th part of a tank. So now we can say that in 1 minute this 4 type A and 2 type B taps can fill what part of tank? We have calculated 1/8th part of a tank. Now we can find out that this complete tank will be filled by 4 type A and 2 type B taps in 8 minutes, because we can see that in 1 minute this 4 type A and 2 type B taps can fill 1/8th part of a tank. So the complete part of the tank, that is complete tank, can be filled by this 2 types of type A type B taps in 8 minutes. So this is our required answer.